Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. So in this video, we are going to check out this device. So this is hTc ChaCha released back in 2011. This is an Android device, and the build quality of this device actually is really great with the metal body and other things. And this device looks very nice. And if you see the physicality of this device, as you can see, it is not really pretty straight. It is the curved device like a Nokia's banana phone, and it is pretty good for typing too because the keypad are really great, very tactile, and also the because of this kind of angle, so it is really good for typing too. And also this device is known as a Facebook device because it has a dedicated Facebook button. So going with the device, so in front we have 2.6-inch display, 480 by 320, and also we have a front camera, and the touch here is capacitive touch screen. So we have few more things here like sensor, like light sensor and also proximity sensor, and we have full keypad and a dedicated button for Facebook, and also we have few buttons. You can use these buttons to navigate the device. Right hand side we don't have anything. Left hand side we have volume rockers and micro USB port. On top we have 3.5 mm headphone jack, which is really great because this device have really good audio too. And also we have our power on off button. On the back we have our 5 megapixel camera with autofocus, and also we have flash here. This device actually is really good for taking photo, although it doesn't make sense, but for back then it was pretty good device. So going with the other things, like it got 3G data, and also there is Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and the RAM here actually 512 MB, and also the storage is 512 MB. But you can't do much with this device because it got a single core processor with 800 megahertz, and the Android version here is Android 2.35 Gingerbread. Is pretty much unusable right now. So let's go and check out what's going on. So going with the device, so there are few pre-installed apps. These are for pre-installed app. I haven't installed anything. Almost all the application doesn't work which connect to the internet, because as you know, the in Gingerbread devices nothing works that well. And going with the other things, we do have Facebook, Google search and other things. It doesn't work anymore. And going to the setting, so in the about section, enter, we have phone identity and hardware information. So we can see the hardware information here, 5 megapixel and other things. Going back, and the software information, it is running on Android 2.35, and you cannot update this device any further than that. And going back, there is nothing much going on. So this device has nothing much going on, and you can connect to the Wi-Fi as you can see. Also you can make phone call. Basically this device, if you really want to use right now, it only usable for phone call and listening to the music. Rather than that, you can't do much with this device. And for the listening to the music and phone call, this is excellent device actually. So you will not have any kind of issue if your country support 3G network, so you will not have any issue. And I really bought this device only for my collection. There is nothing much going with that device. So let's try to install Facebook Lite. I think Facebook Lite will work on this device. So go into the internet section. So we'll go to Facebook Lite. So try to download Facebook Lite APK directly, because we cannot like access the face. So I'm having hard time with this keyboard because it is a little bit different. Facebook Lite APK, I hope you can see. Let's try. So as you can see here, the internet is pretty slow, but it does work. Let's try to install this Facebook Lite. I hope it will work. If it doesn't work, then we have to download the version which support Android 2.3. So download. The touch is not responding right now. It did respond now. It's not responding again. Okay, let's try to download. Now it's downloading. So in the notification panel, actually you can access the notification panel, but the problem with the notification panel, there is no shortcut. if you want to turn on Wi-Fi or Bluetooth or anything like that, you directly have to go to the setting, then you have to do that. Few Android Android like gingerbread device can access notification panel directly from here, like Samsung device and few other device, but in this device you cannot do. So let's try to install. So as you can see, the processing package failed, so pretty much unusable right now. And also we have a like a Facebook like a Facebook application. If you click on Facebook here, so as you can see, it will set sign in, but it doesn't work actually. Now even I cannot scroll here too, as you can see. Also we have a YouTube application which also doesn't work anymore. As you can see, it says accept and it cannot do anything else. So it's only retry. Nothing much going on with this device. And the only thing you can do, you can take some photos. So 5 megapixel camera does work perfectly fine, as you can see, and the autofocus here is really good. Yes, it does work. And also we have a camcorder section, and it can shoot 480p video. So if you click on camcorder, so it can shoot 480p videos too. Pretty much that's it with this phone. Making phone call and listening to the music, that's it. But also it has a pretty powerful speaker, so let's go and check that out. Volume. Yes. Yes, so that's all going with this device because it's running on Android 2.3. Maybe you can install some sorts of custom ROM on this device, but in installing custom ROM on HT device is pretty difficult in back then also, and nowadays there is no support in this kind of device. Pretty much unusable. Even the HTC's own things are not working. Also HTC is not producing any phone anymore, so that's like this device is only useful for phone call and messaging, that's it. I got mine for about $8. I bought this device only for my collection, not to use, because this is an unique device. Like, you will not see this kind of device anymore. Going with, there is one thing which is working, maybe like map, maybe it will work just fine because we are connected to the Wi-Fi. Let's try. Yes, as you can see, it got my location. So the map here is working just fine, and maybe we can turn on satellite view also. So yeah, so map is still working just fine on this device. So that's it all about hTc ChaCha. Pretty unique device. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time.